Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. So the gauges fuses, where you can find them, we will guys demonstrate on this generation Dodge Ram right here. You guys have a main engine fuse box that's under the hood. So open the hood. Here on the driver's side, in front of your car battery, you see right here, you have that cover. It has two tabs. If you press these tabs, it will open when you lift it. On the inside, you will find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So here, guys, what we need to check specifically. Now, 3 fuses. By the way, guys, okay, quick advice. Make sure you stand to the end so you don't end up being stuck like we did in the middle of nowhere. The first fuse is fuse number 49, right here. The second fuse that you need to check for the gauges will be fuse number 84, right there. And then you need to check fuse number 88, right here. You guys have all kinds of different fuses, relays. Buy some spares, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. One time we couldn't find a replacement one. We were in the middle of nowhere and we were stuck because of that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.